How to set up Autopay in QuickBooks Online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Autopay can be set up for the full amount. If your customer edits the amount, then the Autopay option no longer displays. Your customer needs their Intuit account to use Autopay, and if they don't have an Intuit account, they will need to create a new login. So to set up Autopay, your customer has to open your invoice and select Set up Autopay to enroll. Next, the customer will need to sign in using Intuit user ID, also used for TurboTax and Mint. Further, make sure the Autopay checkbox shows as selected and displays the correct frequency and start date. Once everything looks good, select the Autopay button to pay the current invoice and they will receive a confirmation email that Autopay is set up. So this is how you can set up Autopay in QuickBooks Online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.